Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is the trip that I have since I think May 1st, but since then I haven't got time to edit this, so now it's finally released. This is a trip of me, my mom, my sister because my dad have work that day. This is when I arrived at the hotel. Okay, welcome to the get ready with me because not really get ready with me, it's just like I'm retouching my hair because we're gonna have lunch and then we're gonna do a really cool thing you guys gonna see later. I just like curl my hair a bit because I feel like sometimes I look better with curly hair, and then I like spray some hairspray, but then like I ended up with like smelling like hairspray for the whole day. And then I changed my outfit and we're ready to go. I filmed this so long ago, so I think this is like we're done eating lunch and now we gonna go to somewhere else. And then we go to a cafe that's have a really like big field of goat and some sheep, and there's also some like horses I think, and I think they're really cool. I think this trip is like really good for my mental health. I really feel like I'm reconnecting with nature and animals, and I love it. I have a really good time here, and I think that's like a really memorable memory for me, and I think it's really cool. And even though I'm not a travel person and I don't like to try new things, but this trip made me feel realize that I love like being outside and it's really enjoyable for me. And not only I make a lot of cool memories here, also take a lot of pictures, as you can see. Okay, so there's a big skip here that I need to like remove and redo my makeup in like 20 minutes, so that's why I'm here. And this is me asking my sister to like take some pictures for me, and I think this is a really cool view. And then we are going on the cruise to have some dinner. To be honest with y'all, I'm not a travel person, but I think after this trip it's might change. Because look at this amazing view, and I think it's really important for us to like sometimes relax ourselves and take some rest, think of positive things, and we might feel a lot better. And after waiting for like 30 minutes, it's time for dinner, and then we'll go to the first floor to have some buffet for dinner. And I got some pasta, some steak, and some side salad, but I don't know what happened to the lighting, but the beef is like so good. Okay, and let's move on to the next morning. We have a morning buffet, and the food here is also tastes amazing. I really enjoyed it. And then after breakfast, we headed to the beach and enjoy some view. And that's also the end of our trip, and I feel like this is a really good trip. I actually stepped out of my comfort zone and tried something new, and I actually enjoyed it. Thanks you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned because I'm gonna upload a lot of video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.